Hey everyone, Derek here. So today I'm at the Hong Kong International Airport and I'm going to be flying home to Vancouver on a Cathay Pacific A350. I just flew in from Auckland last night on another Cathay A350 and had a really great flight. I'll leave a link to that video in the description below if you haven't watched it yet, but I'm super excited to try them out again today. Flight time should be about 11 hours. Looking forward to a really good flight over.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra extraordinary.
So legroom looked really good. I'm 6'3" and had tons of space to move around. The tray table unfolds down here from below the seat. Nice and sturdy, tons of room for anything you need to put there. Just slides back in there. Then there's a second tray table up here if you need to store your phone, which is a pretty nice touch, or keep any drinks, anything like that. And that just locks there. And I think I mentioned this in the last video, there's a little net here, not quite sure what that's for. There's also a USB charger though, that's nice just below the screen there. And the screen tilts back and forth, which is nice if the person in front of you decides to recline. And it kind of scored here because there was no one in the middle seat next to me, so I had tons of space to spread out and put my stuff. And I know I talked about this in the last video too, but I love having cameras in the seats. Unfortunately, the tail camera didn't work on this flight, but we still have the nose camera, which is great.
Flying time today is 11 hours. Charging cabin is the lovely Tracy.
If you're travelling with hand luggage or large items, make sure they're stored in the overhead compartments.
Cabin crew, please prepare door for departure and caution. Thank you.
嘅機艙服務員 You can place any small items underneath the seat in front. 喺機艙任何地方吸煙或使用電子煙都係屬於違法。Oxygen masks will drop automatically if they're needed. Pull the mask down firmly. Place it over your nose and mouth. Adjust it to fit and breathe normally. Oxygen will flow without the bag inflating. Whistle and a light. 當離開機艙嘅時候，先至將救生衣充氣。需要充氣嘅時候，只需用力拉下紅色手掣，或者用充氣管吹氣。救生衣上面會有哨 in your safety card。緊急情況下，或者聽見 brace brace 新路線嘅照明系統會自動亮起。請遵照機艙服務員嘅指示，到最近嘅。
So it was a pretty hot day in Hong Kong, and with a fully loaded plane and 11 hours of fuel, we had a nice and long takeoff roll. I put the camera down in the bottom right so you can check it out. crew came through and served the lunch a couple hours after we took off. As you can tell, I opted for the pasta, which, just like all my other meals on Cathay, was pretty solid. A couple hours out over the Pacific, the crew came through and served us dinner. The presentation wasn't necessarily the best, but the food was actually pretty good. Just checking out the in-flight entertainment a little bit. Like I said, the screen was really responsive. They had a great catalog of movies, TV shows, definitely enough for 11 hours. I also paid for Wi-Fi. I think it was about $20 for the whole flight, which is pretty reasonable, and it was also very fast. So I woke up after a quick nap and we'd already started our approach into Vancouver. We were coming in from the north today over the mountains, which meant we had some pretty awesome views.
Welcome to Vancouver. It's a safety requirement that you remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartment, as items inside may fall out. Kindly take all your belongings with you when leaving the aircraft. Mobile phones and portable electronic devices with cellular functions may now be switched on. Passengers with domestic connecting are required to collect your baggage and clear the customs and immigrations before proceeding to the domestic terminal. Those with U.S. connection must proceed to the U.S. transit area for pre-clearance processing and complete the U.S. custom forms available at the entrance of the in-transit pre-clearance facility. Your bags will be automatically transferred to your U.S. carrier. Please contact our ground staff if you need any assistance. It has been a pleasure looking after you, and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you for flying Cathay Pacific, a member of the One World Alliance. Thank you and good morning.
So just a few last impressions. Had a great flight over with Cathay Pacific. Crew were super nice, super friendly, and they were really attentive. Could have done with maybe a few more of them in economy, but it wasn't a big deal. The hard product is great. Seats are super comfortable, tons of space to move around, especially with no one sitting next to you. And I really like the A350. It's really quiet and there's tons of space to move around, which is great. And the meals were good. Maybe could have been presented a little bit nicer, but definitely not bad for economy. Overall, though, it was a great flight over. I'd love to fly Cathay Pacific again, maybe even try out their business or first class products. That'd be pretty cool. Again, though, huge thanks for watching. Like I was saying in the last video, I'm just trying out the voiceover. So let me know what you think, or anything with the video style at all you want to change, anything you're liking, anything you're not liking. Let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, all that fun jazz. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again with another video soon.
Prepare for arrival and cross check. Thank you.